Hello everyone. Myself Baswaraj Sivaradar from Department of Basic Science, second sem audio section. Today we are discussing the topic about electronic waste and environment killer from the subject of chemistry. Today's electronic gadgets, tomorrow's electronic waste. Content. What is e-waste? Sources of e-waste, types of e-waste, effects of e-waste on environment, effects of e-waste on human body, how these become e-waste, methods of disposal of e-waste, why e-waste management, statistics, conclusion, and references. What is e-waste? Electronic waste or e-waste describes discarded electrical or electronic devices, used electronics which are destined for reuse, resale, salvage, recycling, or disposal are considered e-waste. Informal processing of e-waste in developing countries can lead to adverse human effects and environmental pollution. Sources of e-waste. Waste generated from the product used of data processing such as computers, computer devices like monitor, speaker, keyboards, printer, etc. Electronic devices used for entertainment like TV, DVDs, CD, players. Equipment or devices for communicative like phones, landline phones, etc. Household equipments like vacuum cleaner, microwave ovens, washing machines, air conditioner, etc. Audio-visual components such as VCRs, stereo equipment, etc. Types of e-waste: laptop and monitors, personal electronic devices, mobile phones, audio-video equipments, scanner printers and copiers, televisions, mouse, keyboard, and other electronic devices. Effects on e-waste on the environment. Emissions from e-waste create environmental damage. Toxic chemicals from e-waste enter the soil, crop, food pathway. These are non-biodegradable and cause soil pollution. E-waste dumping yards and nearby places are polluted and cause health hazards. Effects of e-waste on human body. Lead damage to central and peripheral nervous systems, blood system and kidney damage affects brain development of children. Chromium, asthmatic bronchitis, DNA damage. Cadmium, toxic irreversible effects on human health, accumulate kidney and liver, causes neural damage, teratogenic. Mercury, damage to brain and respiratory system. Plastics including PVC, burning produces toxins, causes reproductive and developmental problems, immune system damage, and damage to regulatory hormones. How these become e-waste? Reasons: advancements in technology, changes in style, fashions, and status, nearing the end of their useful life, not taking precautions while handling them. Methods of disposal of e-waste. Why we should ensure safe disposal of these. Landfill disposal allows heavy metals to leach into groundwater. Incineration makes hazardous material airborne. Acid baths are dangerous and cause waters and soil contamination. To ensure exported materials are handled properly. Advantages of recycling e-waste. Assess recovery, reduction of need for landfills, reduction of junk and clutters, resale and reuse, creation of jobs. Why e-waste management? Pollution of groundwater, acidification of soil, emission of toxic fumes and gases. It is the fastest growing portion of municipal waste, releases harmful gases into the air. Conclusion: e-waste has emerged as one of the fastest growing waste streams worldwide today. Electronic gadgets without proper disposal can cause environmental harm. Reuse and recycle are more beneficial than simple disposal. Designing of products using environmental friendly raw materials can make a change. Awareness of e-waste should be begun. Government shall take these steps to reduce e-waste disposal. Thank you for watching video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel.